Good morning. So, how do you even start? 2 years ago, we bought a boat. 2.5 years ago, we bought a boat, and then fighting kind of took over our life, and so we ended up moving to Thailand, and so we left our boat here in the shed. And then now that this virus thing has happened, we've just kind of rushed back home, and now we've got nothing to do. We figured, why not do our boat up? And yeah, yesterday Chad and I went and bought all the materials that we needed. Not all of them, but just to kind of make a start to the boat. And I just wanted to vlog this whole experience because it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Excuse what I look like. I just woke up. It wasn't even like 7:30 and I woke up to an empty bed because this one is just way too excited to start the boat. It's gonna be the new man cave for the next 3 to 6 months. Are you excited?
Yeah.
This fiberglass, once it's mixed with resin, this is like the itchiest thing ever. When we first bought the boat, Chad chopped the transom out, which is the backboard of the boat. Thailand happened, so it kind of warped over time, and now the back doesn't really fit like a jigsaw. As you can see, everything's kind of falling apart and rotten. The guy did say that his son recently put a new floor in and that the stringers were completely fine when they're completely hollow. If you can see that. We gotta obviously redo the transom, we gotta replace the stringers, put the floor in, get the fuel tank. That's the old fuel tank there. And then we gotta replace all the electrical, get rid of that windbreaker. Definitely 110% get rid of this fucking railing here because I don't even know what it's doing. And then fix the trailer up. We got all the stuff we need now. We got this to do the stencils on, and then we've got 2 18mm marine ply for the transom, and then we had to get some more hoses and fittings for the air compressor. Of course, Bunnings stitching us up. We buy a air compressor, but like nothing to use for it. Anyway, guys, like the new gummies? Pretty useful around here. Hiya! What's being done? I've been busy today, sorry. I had clients today. I like your Breaking Bad outfit.
Yeah?
It's cute as. What are you doing?
Just mixing some resin. A little lazy sticker, eh?
What are we doing today?
So just gonna paint it in resin and let the resin dry and soak in so it has...
Blow it?
Yep. Glove up.
Exciting. But we did the 3 layers of the fiberglassing. Now we wait for this to dry and then we do the other side, right?
Flip it to the other side.
We have to do like in here.
That's because it's still got to get cut. It's got to go... Remember, it gets cut like this.
Oh yeah, for the well.
For the welling.
And the engine. Cool. I'll be sure to film the other side because we're standing in the sun, so the thing was getting dry pretty fast.
Quick, I'll kick it off.
Well, it was mine and Chad's anniversary today, so
Just kick it.
kick it.
Kick it, quick kick it.
Okay.
Push kick it.
Oh, Chad.
Oh, it's alright.
It was our 3-year anniversary today, and we decided to go out like late arvo, so we didn't end up finishing the other side of the transom, which we're actually going to do now. It is nighttime, as you guys can see. Alright, let's improvise.
Whoa, whoa.
What is it? I don't know if fiberglass is safe for you.
Jabba.
Give me a kiss.
He's alright, he's fine.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Oh, I love you too.
Well done, bub.
He's not a little bitch. I'm the fucking captain of this joint.
Yeah, fucking how you are, bub.
1800?
1800, bub.
Hold on.
Okay, you're on it. Okay, wait, fuck this off. Get rid of it.
No, hold on. I'm nearly there. Dickhead.
Fucking bring a new tape over something.
No, lay it down. That's more ground that it's covering.
Yeah.
There you go.
Fuck. Put this out.
450 chalky. These are my best friends. My buffles. My BFFs. His head.
Spirit stick, Lady Susan. The bucket was dripping.
Well, you know what they say.
What's that, bro?
No idea.
Alright, you ready?
Hurry up.
Okay.
There's me rollers.
But I launched it as well. That's the best.
Easy fix, mate.
Yep.
There's not enough resin.
Put this in there, Chad. What's up?
I just missed it again. I had a client to do today. Chad bugged the transom in, finally, is what it looks like. Now he just needs to do a bit of grinding and fit the back, like, where is it? Back of the boat on. I'll show you guys. So it's this thing that just needs to go back on now.
She needs some TLC.
Yeah, she does. Wow! How's Chad's little setup he's got
Just gotta
going?
jimmy it up, eh?
Yeah, well.
Gotta do what you gotta do.
Chad and I aren't boat building experts, but
I know boats.
he knows boats. I don't know if we're doing it differently to what people do, or if we're doing the exact same, or whatever. We're learning as we go, so don't judge.